again. Hello, yeah. The game is technically done. So at least the basic stuff all works. I did a bunch of stuff, and I'm just gonna show that you now. And I would really appreciate if everyone watching could just play the game and fill in the form, which I also have in the... Oh, actually the form I don't have in the description. Of the game in the description. In the description of the game I have the playtest form, which you can fill in. Yeah. So let's show what I have done. Okay, we have the player. I added the backpack yesterday on the stream. And now you can see there are 2 bars. These are indication bars for how for your 2 variables you need to balance, which are the green morale and the orange yellow that's energy. So that's just on his back. I added some instructions of like just spacewalk, left shift to open, you know, just to be clear as possible. As you can see under here, I also added some stuff. Your character actually is going to talk. For now it's just text. I'll probably do like a Undertale, like actually Undertale or like what's it called, Animal Crossing, just like one bit of sound which is constantly repeating. So yeah, you can just walk like usual. If all the inventory stuff, actually you can't read food now because with this aspect ratio, this is the aspect ratio of the web build. But now also if you hover over, you get a description of like what it should do. I wouldn't mind a snack. It also says now, so you can eat a snack, and you also can see here that the bar goes up by a bit. You probably say he's tired in soon, I think, I hope. So I can show you sleeping. Actually, if you sleep too early, it says I wasn't that tired. I can drop, example, the clock, and then just you just use its weight, and having less weight makes you walk faster. Yeah, I really just only worked on those systems, and that's finished now. I really like how I did dialogue system. So I have a special dialogue canvas with a panel with just some text with it, which I change, and a random dialogue script. So it's a singleton script, so I can communicate it from any place in any script, just with that instance. I can show you that in the script actually. Let's see. Yeah, player controller. I use it the most. It's just make this a bit readable for you. Also, this is very large. That's a bit smaller. So like, let's see. Here I say random dialogue. That instance show random dialogue, and this string here, this is a tag, and all dialogue has a tag. So this, your morale is like medium, or you have a very low morale. If your morale is too low, it will continuously say there's no point, let's just stop. If low weight, it says something. And also I have a remove after read variable, so some stuff I only want to show up one time, other stuff will show up more times, like good night's sleep when you have slept. And I also have a chance to appear. I first added that because I didn't want to do remove after read and just wanted to repeat stuff. But that didn't work that well. I still have it, but I think almost everything. Oh yeah, well, like with food, it's like 50-50 if you say tasty or not. And I'll probably add some more flavor text like that. And just more options to make it feel a bit more interesting. But that definitely isn't the most important right now. I can pull up the itch page real quick. Let's see. Future's Forgotten Energy, it's called. I describe it as hike through alien landscapes, find the energy source on the abandoned planet, survive with the little resource you have, balancing morale and energy to get to the end. I'm really lacking on alien landscapes, but the thing I enjoy the most right now in the game is simply just walking and looking out. So I think if I make the environment a bit more interesting, it can be just fun to simply walk. So I have some particles already, a lot of particles actually, which I can use to make some fun stuff. I'm probably gonna make some 3D models of like alien structures. That's kind of the plan for now. Just make interesting environments. And let's see. Yeah, I have a story which I want to tell, but I'm also like, do I have enough time to make this story understandable? So like, I probably want a extra scene. So right now I just have the menu scene and the game scene. I'm gonna add one scene which just like based between, which is just an animation / video of like what's happening. So you land on a planet and there's some stuff like that. Also right now you're just here. Probably gonna make like a small capsule where you're gonna get out of, stuff like that. Let's see, what else can I show? I mean, yeah, I added more cubes just to make the environment look a little bit more interesting. I actually really like just some random cubes. For the environment, I'm probably gonna have like different like biomes which you walk through. So this could be one biome. Definitely won't mind. It's very easy to make this as a biome, you know. Let's see. I think I have shown the most important stuff. There's like some. Oh, actually, did I show? Oh no, that was just a stream, but I removed the head of like the character. Oh, and I rotated him a little bit, so he's actually like looks more that he's actually standing on the sloped plane. Yeah. That's really it right now, I think. So if you're watching, please playtest the game. I really want those playtests. So I know what to do next, of course. Okay. I'm just gonna pull up Myra real quick. I'm gonna make a to-do list of things I want to do right now. So the biggest thing for real is the environment. But that's very broad, so we probably need to think about some cool particle stuff. Also, like with the environment, I spelled it wrong. I don't care. With an environment, it's also like say, you know, it's also atmosphere. Did I probably also spelled that wrong? Then I think so. It's not that important. So like I want like music, mysterious. And I mean, music is definitely, you know, I like making music, so I'm just gonna make the music myself. I actually also did that with my multiplayer project. That was a lot of fun. Although I made it in like an hour because I didn't have much time before that deadline. So mysterious music. Also like maybe also other sound stuff, sound effects. I think definitely sound design can definitely elevate the vibes, and it definitely looks like a vibes game right now, you know. So sound effects, footsteps probably. That's something what you're constantly doing, walking. So some interesting footstep sounds maybe. And of course, for all this stuff, we need a sound manager. And footsteps, like an eating sound for the food. Let's say more sounds do we need? Like oh, one thing it's also like kind of scuffed. You just click on the sleeping bag and you're just magically slept. It doesn't skip any hours, by the way, in the time thing. So you just magically regain energy. But I mean, it's the same with food. I don't think it's that important for the immersion. Okay, let's just add it to the to-do list. I'll say the higher up, the more important. So sound effects should actually be right. Just sound effects I think are very important. Music I'm gonna put high on the list because I like making music. Like sound manager. So some how do you call it? Sleeping bag. Actually sleeping. Food actually eating. Ooh, and I want to add something like to the end of the game, just crawling, which is very important for like the message of the game I have in my head. But it also I kind of don't want to share that on stream because it's a very important part at the end. but that's also, you know, I'm not sure, you know, the intro, making the intro already is quite hard. I think I could make just a basic intro, you know, just maybe just only with text. Like, I mean, Iron Lung did it with only text and it worked. So maybe I can just use some magical words. Let's try that actually. So we'll do all this stuff, put it down here, and we'll make some other stuff. Let's see. Right, intro words. We'll just say that, I guess. Where's the story? It's really funny because I did a very similar thing with the exact same what's it called? Exact same font. So it's probably gonna look exactly the same when I make it. But let's just make a new scene. Scene. Where is here scene? We'll call it lore dump because it is. And we'll add a empty object called game manager because I do all the scene management in the game manager right now. I'll need a canvas. Right. Canvas. Yeah. Let's just make it one big button so I can use it to skip stuff. Also probably want some mysterious cool music under this so people aren't bored. 2D. Let's go to canvas. And the UI sprite we're gonna replace with a square because, you know, I really hate with Unity stuff. They always like they have these stock stuff assets with like very low resolution. Like, why don't you just make it a square? Look how sharp that looks. It's that easy. Come on, guys. So we're gonna do this and make it black, and I think since it's black it already doesn't matter all, you know, with the color tint stuff. It'll just work. We'll do the font. I have an outlined font for the title. I mean, that's also pretty nice. Oh, I haven't shown you the menu, but it's not that special. It's just a different view of the map for now. So this is technically centered, but in the game, oh yeah, no, in the game view it's like a little bit, just a tiny bit on top of it, and I'm not sure why it's just this font, but I like the font, so I'm just gonna keep it, I guess. It feels very mysterious and a little bit futuristic, you know. I'm not the most knowledgeable with fonts, so we'll just do some stuff here, and we'll create a new script for that. We'll call it let's think. I I don't think we're gonna call this lore dump, right? Like, wait, can't I just yoink the script from that other project where I did the exact same thing? I can do that, yeah. Let's open Unity Hub. So I can find it in the Explorer. Show an Explorer. It's really funny because I did nothing with this project, and actually I was very frustrated with the project, but somehow I'm using a lot of stuff from it. This gem. I mean, it has a little bit of similar themes. It's a bit far-fetched, but a little bit. Let's see. Is it on a dialogue? Maybe I'll just open the project and search that way. UI button. No. Topics. I'll just open the project. It's probably easy to search that way. And can just go to the scene which does all the fancy stuff. For some reason, it's also struggling with the project. But I mean, it looks nice, but it shouldn't be that heavy. I mean, we were not using any fancy shader stuff or like very high taxing stuff. I mean, there's a lot in the project, a lot of things behind the scenes that you can't see. I mean, it's a lot of data. You know? Yeah, there it is. It's also where I yoink the fonts from. We'll have to look into scenes. Lore screen. That's the same idea. Canvas image vertical. What? I'm always so confused with the project, man. Where even am I? Okay, here, lore. Here, title, lore. Where's the script though? Probably in here, right? No. Is it one of those stupid bootstrap stuff? We did some like strange kind of. Oh no, dialog screen canvas. This should work. Let's edit the script. Oh yeah, I remember it's very big. Canvas group dialog label, title label. Public task. Is it? Come on. Nothing. Think I. What's happening with all this stuff? Let's just make our own script. You know, this is just just more of that confusing, unnecessary stuff. I mean, it looks exactly the same. So, just saying. Yeah, we'll just delete this because it saves us a little bit of time, I think. I hope. We're gonna create a Why? What? Why is it? Fine, sure. Wasting my time again. I mean, I'm not constantly working on this. So. Let's see. Let's call it lore scroll. I don't know. He needed a name. I'm not sure how I want to call it. Yeah, I know it doesn't have an underline font. Come on, guys. And we'll say this also lore. Lore scroll. So we need a text mesh pro text. I think I spelled it right. Maybe it's actually it's probably a. Did I edit in the script? I'm not sure. Let's see if it gives a lot of errors. It does give a lot of errors. What did I change? I don't know. Can I just... what? Oh, I accidentally did a equal sign. Of course I did. I don't use any text mesh pro stuff here. Inventory. I also don't. Actually, I could show it. No, yeah, the RAM dialog also works. Actually, he used the same. Kind of use some stuff on there. Just want. Oh, timer. Timer use the stuff I want to use. Right? Oh no, it's. Oh, it should. Doesn't it? Oh no, it's the clock then, actually, because I have a separate clock and a separate. Done some stupid stuff. Yeah, no, it's. Actually, I could have easily checked that stuff. Lore text, we'll call it. We will need an. Type stuff. Type text. We'll actually have a float speed. We'll call it characters per second. Characters per second. Oh, it's characters per second. Time between characters, it should be. Seconds between. It's okay. Seconds. Seconds between characters for our beautiful lore dump. Float seconds. Actually, can you actually? It could be. And suddenly I realize I don't have it on draft. Only those who can. I'll just set it public. Who cares? I'll actually configure settings. Unless it's. I don't want to list it yet. So now you could can actually find the game. Most will just say, oh no, it's a draft, you can't get there. Could also do something with password, that's annoying. You'll probably get less playtest that way, so I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, I need a string text to type. We'll say Lord text dot text is just blank, and we'll say for each character C in text to type. Actually we'll say string typed text. This will also just be empty. We'll say process. Actually, I cannot. I think I can just do this. I don't need to actually save it. I can just do that right, and then we'll just say. Actually, I don't think I spelled it wrong. I am, I'm sometimes confused by how I am able to just forget the most basic coding stuff ever. Just yoink some stuff from here. Yeah, I mean, I'm doing here. It does the same thing, right? Yeah. I'm actually essentially doing the same thing as there, but in a separate script with some small changes. Yeah, no, it is spelled right. Just in my head it should be green, but it is not, or like blue. I think this should work, and then you say yields return new, wait for seconds, and we will say second. Oh yeah, no, actually it was right the first time. Okay, let's just between characters. That's again not spelled right. I'm not sure if it's my dyslexia or it's just me being bad at typing. Maybe it's both. Actually, on the end of this, we'll say next line. Or I can do. No, actually, that is easier. I can just say I mean, it's one big button, right? So we can just say public. Next line. You can just press the button and activate the next line. So it will say type text, and we'll need a string array. And we'll call it lore lines. Say lore lines. No. Lore lines. And we'll say it's. Oh, have an index. So this line index. I'll say line index plus plus. I think that's enough, right? This should work. I think. Lower scroll. Let's just put it on here. No, it doesn't, because what did I do wrong? I probably just made one small mistake somewhere and then everything comes crumbling down as usual. Did I just forget something small? Probably. Actually, these need to be public now. Or, well, let's just serialize fields. It's good practice. Not that anything else is good practice in my code. This one small bit is. Line index is needed. Just say it's 0. Just to be sure, even though it's always start at 0. And we also need to see the float in here. I still don't know what's the problem is. Event token 21. Probably just missed a probably 17. What did I do? Oh yeah, this is our. It is an enumerator. Right before the enumerator? That's not what I want to look at. This is what I want to look at. Next line, type text, lower lines, line index. I'm so confused. Oh! Every fucking time, man. Used the wrong brackets. Well, I mean, it's fixed now. Now we're getting some more errors. Serialized field attribute could not be found. And that I misspelled. Missed the I. That's why I try not to do coding on stream. Because we get this type of shit. This is what? This should be the same as that, right? Oh, I'm not using the TM Pro. Now it works again. Come on. Yeah. Just a boring warning that doesn't matter. So we're gonna say here the lower scroll. Didn't attach, no. Yeah. Text between characters. So let's say just 0.1 and let's just type some stuff just to try it. And have this button reference the lower thing. Lower scroll, next line. And actually I also need to set the text, of course. Let's do that. So let's set the text. Now it should just work, I hope. Oh, actually, one thing I want to do is on start. Start, say, next line. So it immediately starts and just as a template text, which is that stuff here. Okay, let's see. It does not seem to work yet. Oh yeah, I haven't showed you that. I also have like a custom mouse cursor thingy because it looks nice. So I would expect it to immediately. Maybe we should just go to the 3D modeling. And I'll figure this out later. I mean, unless there's some kind of big bug, I won't make a new build probably until the final final build. So I won't bother you with more builds. You're just gonna test this. I hope. Please do, and fill in the form. Oh right, I'm saying now type text, but it's an IE numerator. That doesn't work. I need to say start coroutine. Because it is a coroutine. Now it works, I hope. Another. Oh, did I misspell it again? Yeah, I misspelled it again. Of course I did. I should have just copied that code there and just. I mean, I'm writing almost exactly the same code as I did there, but. Okay, now it works. I'm 100% confident. Can't go wrong anymore. If it doesn't work, I don't know what I will do. It works! Told you. Easy. It's quite slow. Now it doesn't have anything. So on the end, we'll do a Unity event. Probably that works fine, right? Just copy this stuff because I'm lazy to actually type. Oh no, this, and add a public event, and we'll call it no more lines. Let's say on no more lines, and we'll do if it is less than if line index is more than lower lines dot length, right? No, actually length is starts at 1 and not at 0, so this should work like this. And then we'll say on no more line, or is it more normal line? It should be normal lines. Do not confuse myself. No more lines dot invoke. And now I can copy that with the say plus game manager, because I don't, and then right, I haven't added the game manager yet. Game manager. The game manager script, and then say load scene by index, and say 2, because that would be 1. Just save it. It's changed in the build settings, so I won't forget that stuff. Okay, let's see. Let's try this. Actually, let's do it, right? Yeah. So now I can click through the dialogue and I get to the game. Is it me, or is he looking like even darker as before? It's definitely looking darker as before. Yeah, no, 100%. Why? Why is it look? Why does it look so dark? I think it started here. Yeah. What? What happened? Come on. Oh, this is probably gonna be one of those bugs which is gonna be haunting me for the rest of the jam, isn't it? Well, let's just try again. Maybe it was just unlucky. No, it definitely okay. Okay, we'll need to look into lighting issues, I guess. Let's just search on the web and hope. Okay. Lighting issues. When loading scene in Unity. No, I shouldn't. That doesn't matter, right? No, I don't think. I mean, you can look into it, but I don't think it has to do with the lighting, right? Does it? That would be very strange if it impact on the lighting. Okay, let's just go to the scene from here and look at these settings, I guess. Okay, let's see. Scene. It could be because I'm switching like skybox or something like that, or like the directional light also is different, so it gets confused by that. What if I just duplicate this scene? We'll just rename it lore dump 2 for now. Not lore demo, lore dump. Change later, but this works also. Yeah, where are you now? Just remove everything except directional light. Won't need the camera. Could be okay. Save it. Copy all this stuff. This is not the only important stuff. Put it here. Try again from here. Yeah, let's go. It was lighting. What? So it kept the. Actually, is there something? Why is the dialogue system on don't destroy and load? I don't remember adding that. Why is it? You know, it's fine. Also, definitely not, because that means if you reset and play again, it won't say anything. I'll have to look into that later. Let's remove this lore dump, delete, and let's rename this one lore dump, and fix that with the build setting. Oh, actually, it's already nice. It's already how it should be. Okay, now let's add the lore then. This went a lot better than I expected. Okay. I think I wrote some stuff down somewhere. Here maybe? Did I write some stuff? Oh yeah, I did write this. It's like detecting large energy signature, something like that I want to do, and like sending the agent. But I want to keep it brief, so probably not more than 3 lines. And I think just the menu needs to be impressive, so people are willing to go through this text. Although if you press play, you probably are willing to actually play some of it. Let's see how did I phrase it here? Like large large energy signature. That's definitely not just like a definitely not a giant ray gun like in Subnautica. Ooh, it would also be really nice to change the speed at which it works, but also a problem for later. Not that important. Getting large signature coordinate. Sending agent. Nearby landing site. Actually, this could already be enough. Now you know that it's a large agent signature and you're the agent probably. Or you could interpret it as there's an agent looking for you, but I mean it's a little bit more far-fetched. Probably people will get it, right? I think so. Detecting large energy signature at coordinates. Sending agent to nearby landing site. And bam. Now it should have an animation of like a pod crashing down into the earth with some nice effects and stuff. Actually, yeah, let's make that. So we want a pod crashing down to earth. I'm thinking like, am I going to do this in a separate scene of like an animation scene and just then go to the actual game? I think that's the easiest and most like clearest. Let's make this text actually a little bit bigger, something like that, because and let's make the typing speed also like a lot faster. Okay, that's way too fast. I want there to be a little bit of suspense. Okay, half time then, instead of 110. That works. But I also want... Okay, let's... Actually, with the lore scroll, let's say it's always wait. For like a few seconds. Let's just say 1 second. Wait a second before doing anything, so it won't immediately change scene. And let's just immediately do next line automatically, just so you oh, actually I should just put this here, right? So if you click on it, it also checks it. Right? Yeah, that should work. So now it waits a second and then just goes automatically to the next one. But I mean, the text scroll is already so fast that probably no one's gonna click, but if they want to skip it, they can easily do it, you know? Yeah, that works well. It's very annoying to get these errors constantly. Let's just say it's not null. And so I think that would fix it, right? If we just start this one, it won't be complaining about it anymore. No, it's not okay. Great. This works fairly well. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Also, we're doing right now in the doing it with the WebGL resolution, so then this is probably the experience most people are gonna get. Yeah. Inventory can barely read that this is food. You can see steps clearly, but they not so much. Maybe something I could do to just make that a bit more clear is, let's go to scene. Right, yeah, we need to go to the prototype scene and then to player thing. No, yeah, no, I do want to go to player. Just need to turn on the inventory real quick, and we'll have the clock under the canvas and under that the text. And just say the outline font. And we have the outline font. I hope it's... Oh no, it actually... It's even harder to read. It was just... I mean, it was better to read with white, so I'll just change the material. Not sure even what material I use for that. Is this default material? The clock just default material. It's literally just default material. Okay. Wow. Let's just, I don't know, give it something of a color. Actually, no, I use this one for. Well, I could use this one. Okay, so for some reason it doesn't work like that, so I just do it like this here. Why am I not allowed to just drag this? Why can't I? Why is this not working? Been asking why a lot. Just why can't I give it a different material? I'm not sure. What happens if I just edit? No, I don't want to edit the shader. Just let's see. Edit. No, I don't want to edit the shader. I don't care about the fucking shader. Why can I just select? Why is it going to the shader? I just want to. Let's just. Okay, let's just pull up the canvas because I think that's the problem right now. Yeah. Okay. Now pull down the canvas and make the text white, just like its brother. Actually, let's make it bold so we can read it just a little bit better. This should be better. Turn it off again. Should try turn it on and off again. Oh my god, it's so always the same stuff in my head. Oh yeah, that's a lot clearer. Nice. Can actually read it now. There are still simply disks. And that looks strange. But you know, it's good enough. Okay. Let's look at our. Okay, we did this. Another one to add. Actually, let's do this like so. We'll have a done. This will also be done, but it will be like update done. So I can see, oh, I did this with the update, and then did this after the update. You know, some extra structure. Music, particle stuff, atmosphere, crawling, steps. You know, the thing I'm most excited about right now is making some music. So let's do that actually. Let's make some nice music. Just save it real quick. Okay. Let's Ableton. Let's go. Why do I use Ableton? I don't know. Because some other people I know did. So now I do too. And I only have intro because I'm cheap, but it works fine for our little stuff I want to do. Let's pull off the window right here. Some beautiful VSTs and stuff. yeah, that's just, I think it's a bit mysterious, but actually I'm not sure if we even want any drums. Maybe it's just a little hint of drums, little hint of rhythm. I think rhythm, at least in drums and stuff, does pull out the. I can now see that the volume is very harsh on that. This better? Yeah, that's a lot better. You can actually hear me while I'm talking. So I'm gonna say we'll probably need some bad, like, make it a bad, and it's a bad, kinda. Just immediately add some reverb, or actually, am I gonna do it with reverb immediately? Yeah, I am. Or he has some kind of sound. Just look in the waveform. Let's, if you oak this down, that's actually a very interesting sound that could fit nicely. I think I can probably do some stuff like this. Let's make it in envelope. So. Made it a lot slower. I mean, it's definitely bad. Let's make it a bit quicker. Yeah, that's nice. Actually, what I could do is make it like this and just do it sync. Filter real quick. We can mess with it a little bit more, I think. Oh, I do like. What I have to have a bit more of like an impact. So we'll just do nothing here and have an LFO2 and that be an envelope. Here, a little bit less. Nah, bend doesn't really work well. Let's see, pulse. Less. Yeah, there it is all. Actually, we could say, do like idea of more like this. That's actually a really nice sound. It's nice. So let's just remove this one. This could work. Let's make some basic ass chords, probably. Let's see. I always forget. Oh yeah, it's B. Okay. Actually, no. Let's make just one. Make one. Make it 4. Probably can't see my UI very well, but oh well. You know, you can still enjoy the sounds. Let's see. Oh, this is very high. The last one actually. Ooh. Oh, I like that. I like that. Definitely has that mystery. How am we gonna go from C? I mean, I like just having verse chords and stuff. Also just yeah, no, definitely not that one. Let's do an E maybe. I mean, it definitely creates attention. This is just a gamble. And that's awful. It's A right? No, definitely not. Oh, awful. I want to do an A, I think, maybe? Needs to be this one. No. Well, I want it a lot higher actually. I think this one. Actually, I could go for the D, I think. No, that doesn't work. What I think. Something like this. No, that also doesn't work. Could also just switch between the two chords. If I'm lazy. Actually, that sounds nice just because I have such a crazy instrument. Yeah, sure, let's keep it like this for now. I could mess it up a bit. Let's see. Just never just use a channel IQ through stuff to look at the waveform. I'm gonna put some filters on it, I think, because it's way too broad of a sound. Although I do like. So remain the high frequencies, I think. Or keep like make a nice bass for lows. This is already a very interesting sound, you know. That's why I love the plugin, that Vital. It's called right? Like Vital, yeah. Just very easily creates interesting sounds which you can listen to for a while. Okay, let's try creating a melody now. Or just a bass. No, let's try to make a melody. Yeah, somewhere there. Worst sound I've heard. Can do a classic filter thingy. Yeah, let's try to make a melody of this. It's good enough sound for now. Very simple. simple sounds can definitely work. Click like the beggars. Make it deeper. Too high pitch gets annoying quickly. Yeah, probably. Yeah, I do really like the sound in this octave though. It's a very simple, boring melody. It goes. Okay, the sound vital is here is very goofy. Let's remove this one for now. So the sound is not very loud compared to the rest. And also like the music it's gonna be like very quiet, like something like this. The sound here is very poor still. I could also just make this. Actually, let's make it a bit lower. This one first. It's very. Could I? Oh no, not that. No, actually. D sharp works. I can do that. Actually, I think I just need to press 3, right? 1. What was it? There's one hotkey to switch to 24. No, it is not. Why isn't it switching? Let's see. Should just, or is it like Control 3? Yeah, it's Control 3. Let's go. Actually, that doesn't sound that bad. Not that much body rhythm, it's just some nice things. Could also just that is when I do this. Probably something, right? Yeah. Did it change? so I'm not sure how to match. Bad. Yeah. Also just wing it with the key. I have no idea what I'm doing. Just gonna move this over real quick and try something just completely different. Maybe, I'm not sure if I want to make it like fast. Actually, with I do want to make it fast. Should also probably just change the sound because it's still just a square wave. Actually, white noise. That's way too right. And actually, I want. Can I do filter? Oh, it doesn't do anything if I put it on filter 1. The white noise is only in the high end, but you already have a lot of high ends, so we're gonna do that. That's awful. One thing I like to do is like set this to seconds. Just make it really quick. Just put it on some random stuff and it always creates some goofy ass sounds. Just pitch this down. Yeah, probably. How fast is walking speed though? I could try just to match it with the walking speed if like do default. So just actually, I'm definitely just gonna play the music while I'm playing the game, just try to see if it fits. Let's see. Okay, the Unity project is now starting up. Let's just change this. I don't want it a. Another. That sounds too much like the other one. That is so goofy sound. Whoa. Oh, I do like the sound. It doesn't fit well, but it sounds. Wait, actually, I should. If I do it with the temper, it's like. How's the game finished? I would say we're halfway there. I mean, everything works, but I want to make like a lot more of like an alien environment stuff, and the atmosphere. You know, I think that can be the strong point of this game. It's such an awful sound. Let's just completely forget the second oscillator. And definitely also this move. Let's see. Just remove this. Let's not do any big way. Let's just try some more melody stuff. Okay, bye. That sounds awful. Oh, right, I made it E. Actually, then this should. It's really strange how this sounds so off. first one works fine. Let's just deactivate this one. Exactly the same speed as a little bit faster still. Actually. Slow down to 30 at least. Try 122 like that. Of course, the speed changes when you have less weight. Oh, that's very close. Of course, it could also be like not a perfect number. It's close enough. Good enough. 117. And also this in third, so it's confusing. So I won't change it. Let's see. Some good work into it, but I have definitely made better stuff. Could also just import some stuff I made before and just use that. ditch all the melodies I have right now because it sounds awful. I have a plan. Why isn't there any sound? Oh, I muted it, right. That's way too high. Yeah, this should work. This also just change the sound because this doesn't really work well. It's just need to remove this. Oh no, actually, remove this and this. It's a lot more happy. Or happy. I would say happier actually, but more like. Work. I'm sorry, but just the thirds just won't work for this stuff. Just gonna make it basic pitch again. Actually, this is. Oh no, this actually thing needs to be a lot slower now because we want to match the speed of the rhythm to how we want. No, going too fast now. Even slower than this. It's very slow tempo. Yeah, no, we're also definitely under. 82 then. Still too slow. Let's leave it at 90. Oh, right. I think you still walk a little bit faster. Yeah, 82 was really slow, so let's say 88. Nice double. Yeah, it's too fast. Actually, no, it's at 82 right now, so we said it's hard to do. It's good enough. Like the happy music in the beginning of the game, you know. But it's still a bit like a bit dark, simultaneously optimistic. Let's call it that. It's a bit optimistic. I'm still not happy with the sound. do like that sound though. Let's add some more points. It's probably way too much, but who cares? Very full sound now, but it's also takes way see if it's kind of works. attachment. This definitely isn't gonna win any prizes, but nice music, I think. Take a bit away. Way too big of sounds. Oh my god. That's... I mean, it's very easy to make it smaller. Just... I like it. I'm gonna save it for now, and we'll leave it for later. I am gonna do one new file though. And we're gonna create a real quick sound, which is easiest done with this. We can just use this one. Make like a talking sound, so this will repeatedly play when you can also try something like this. This works. And then we'll say save, audio, export. We'll call it talking you, and we'll just delete it. We won't need it again. So now hopefully if it's done right. Let's see. Beautiful. We can just repeat that sound very quickly after each other to make like a talking sound. You know, you've seen it before on games. It's a nice trick. Let's see. Let's look at this stuff. We're gonna need an environment. Let's try to build something interesting to walk past. I think that's nice. Let's open up Unity. Got it. There it is. Yeah. Let's try to make something interesting. That's strange. Yeah, sorry, I was just reading some feedback on the form. Right, we're gonna make some interesting stuff in the background. Actually, I tend to do like some. Let's do some research first on what we want to do. In that aspect. Took just for some alien planets. Of course, we get AI generated slot. This is all very boring alien stuff. Something interesting. This looks kind of interesting. I mean, alien planets may be alien biomes or something. I don't know. Why is it immediately Fortnite, man? Stupid ass Fortnite, man. Just want to get some nice inspiration. Again, AI slop. Look, this is kinda interesting. Although I don't really want to make it nature-like. Maybe the beginning or the end, with nature-like. I could actually import. Let's do that. I have some free tree assets I could use. Easily import that. Import. we have some trees. How do these look? Very much like real trees. Okay, let's try to make them look alien. I'm not sure how easy that is to do because it has like can change the translucency color. It's kind of interesting. I mean, these look too human still. I don't think this is the best solution for creating correct nature. I don't know. And think about it. Where's... No, this is this one. Crawling. For some minute. Actually, I'm pretty tired. I think I'll just leave it here and leave it for later. Yeah. Please play my game and play test it and fill in the form. Yeah, I think that's it for now. Gonna make some cool stuff tomorrow. Probably won't stream it. Probably just maybe plan some small things to stream. But I think I'll mostly just make some stuff and show it off. Okay. Thank you for watching the stream, and bye.